In this video, we are going to do a review exercise for chapter 1, which is a review of number concept. So state whether each number is natural, rational, an integer, or a prime number. So let's go for natural number. So natural numbers is the whole number starting from number 1. So what natural number we got here? Okay, we got 17. And we got 24. Okay, there it is. Next is rational. Rational number. So the rational number is all integers, decimal, and fraction. So we can write it here. We got minus 3/4. Next we got, this is also rational, 24. And 0.65 minus 12, and then 3/2, 0.66, and the last is 17. Next, integers number. So integers number is whole number, negative, positive, and 0. So we got from here. Okay, 24. And we got minus 12. We got 0. And the last number is 17. Next is a prime number. Remember, prime number has exactly 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. 24 is not a prime number. The factor has 2. Okay, so we got here 17 as a prime number. Next, list the factor of 36. So 36. What number can make it 36? 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and then 6 times 6. Okay, there it is. So let us make it in order. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. This is 4A. Next, express 36 as a product of its prime number. Okay, so let us use a 3 factor. Divided by 2 is going to be 18. Divided by 2 is going to be 9. Divided by 3 is going to be 3. Okay, so this is the prime factor for C. Sorry, I skipped one question. So C, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, for B, how many of these factors are prime number? So let's check it. Okay, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 4 is not, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so only 2. There are 2 prime numbers, which is 2 and 3. List 2 numbers that are factor of both of 72. Okay, we should know that 72 is multiply of 36. So 36 times 2 equal to 72. So the two numbers that are factor of 36. So we can write here D. So this is gonna be any two from, so any multiplied by 2 from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Because we should remember that 72 is a product of 36 multiplied by 2 or multiple of 2. Okay, and E. What is the highest number that is factor of both 36 and 72? Okay, we got it is 36. Remember here. Number 3. Write each number as a product of prime number. Okay, so we are going to use a 3 factor. So 196. So you can directly divide it by the lowest prime number, or you can divide by any number until the end has to be a prime number. So let's start with, we divide it by 2. It's gonna be 98. 98 we divide it by 2 again. It's gonna be 49. 49 we divided by 2 is not, okay, by 7. It's gonna be 7. So this is for A. So this is 2 times 2 times 7 and then times 7. Next is 1845. So let's write it here, 1845. We couldn't divide it by 2 since this is not even number. So let's start with the second prime number. So if we divide it by 3, it's gonna be 615. Let's divide it by 3 again. It's 205. We divide by 3 again. No, we couldn't divide by 3. So let's try divide it by 5. It's gonna be 41, and 41 is a prime number. So this is gonna be 3 times 3 times 5, and then the last is 41. Next we got 8820. Let us divide it by 2. So it's gonna be 4. Okay, let me show you another way. Okay, this is 0, so we can divide by 10 if you like. So it's gonna be 82. So from 10 we can continue 2 and 5. So this is the last, since they are a prime number. So we can go for 882 divided by 2. It's gonna be 441. And then we can divide it by 3. It's gonna be 147. Then we can divide it by 3 again. It's gonna be 49. And 49 is 7 and 7. So this is all prime factor. So let us write it. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, 5 times 7 and 7. So this is a product of each prime factor. Next, Amira start a new exercise routine on 3rd March. So we can write it 3rd March. She decided she will swim. So swim every 3 days. Okay, 3 days. And then cycle every 4 days. On which date in March will she swim and cycle on the same day? So we should find the lowest common multiple. So starting from 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The next 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, we got it. The lowest common factor is 12. So let's write it. 3rd March, plus 12 days so we'll count it. Third month. Okay, third month is the first day. Okay, so after third month it's gonna be 14th March. And then after 14 months we should find it more. Can we find it? The 15 is 18, 21, 24, 27. This 16, 20, 24, and 20. Okay, we got it again. The common multiple 24. So in March, she will swim and cycle on the 14th March and 26th March. Okay, there it is. Number 5. State whether each equation is true or false. Okay, let's start from A. So 18 we divided by 6 plus 5 plus, okay, this is the first thing that we need to do. 3 times 4 equal to 12 equal to 20. Next, bracket 18 divided by 6 plus finish it the bracket 5 plus 12 is gonna be 17. Okay, the first we need to do is divide it. 18 divided by 6 gonna be 3 plus 17 equal to 20. So 20 equal to 20. So the first is true. Next, the second, let's find the first thing that we need to do is bracket. So for B is gonna be 6 times 1 plus 3 equal to 9. So see, this first thing that we need to do is multiply. 6 times 1 is going to be 6 plus by 3 equal to 9. Let's check it. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So B also true. Next, for C, remember the invisible bracket. We need to do it first. So 30 plus 10 is going to be 40 divided by 30 minus 10 equal to 1. So let's finish it. This is gonna be 4 over 3 minus 10 equal to 1. Okay, this won't be 1. So this is not correct. Wrong. False. Next, inside the bracket, let's finish it first. So this is gonna be 6 plus 3 is 9 square equal to 45. 9 squared is 81. So 81 is not equal to 45. So this is false. Okay, 6. Simplify it. So we got square root of 100 equal to 10 divided by square root of 4 is 2. So this answer is 5. Next, this is invisible bracket. So let's finish it inside. 100 divided by 4 is gonna be 25. So square root of 25 equal to 5. Okay, next. Okay, cube root of 64 is gonna be 4. And 4 cube is gonna be 64. Next, 4 cube is gonna be 64. Plus 9 square is 81. So 64 we addition with 81. The answer is gonna be 145. Okay, next. 2 cube. 2 we multiply again by 2. Multiply by again by 2 is gonna be 8. And then 4 root of 1296. So we should find it. What number if we multiply it by itself 4 times equal to 1296. So let's write by 8. Oh, let's make it 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, so this is 6. So let's proceed it. 8 multiplied by 6 is gonna be 48. Okay, next number. Minus 2 power of 4. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. Remember, if negative power of even number is gonna be positive. So it's gonna be 16. We multiplied by cube root of 343. So we should find it. What number? If we multiply it 3 times by itself, it's gonna be 347. 43. Okay, so this is 7. Because 7 times 7 times 7 is gonna be 343. So 16 we multiply it by 7 is gonna be 112. Next question. Okay, 1 over 2 power of negative 1. So we just flip it. It's gonna be 2 over 1. So let's write it 2 power of 2. And then plus by, okay, we know the answer is 1. So 2 square is 4 plus 1, which is give us the answer of 5. Next, 1 over 2 power of negative. So let's flip, and the power is gonna be positive. Minus, what number? If we multiply 6 times, equal to 46,656 equal to 6. So 2 power of 4 is gonna be 16 minus 6 will give us the answer of 10. Okay, calculate and give your answer correct to decimal places. So we got 5.4, we multiplied by 12.2. So this will give us 65.88 and divided by 4.1. And this answer is 16.07. Okay, next we got 12.2. We make it square. So this will give us the answer 148.84 divided by 3.9. We make it square. This will give us the answer of 15.21. So we divided this number and will give us the answer of 9.79. Goes for C. Okay, let's finish it. The divided first. So 12.65. We're gonna divide it by 2. We're gonna divide by 2.04. So this will give us the answer of 6.2. Then plus by 1.7 multiplied by 4.3. Okay, the first step we need to do is multiplication. So 4 times 3, we divide by 1.7. So this will give us 6.2 plus 7.31, which the answer is 13.51. Okay, next. Okay, this invisible bracket. So let's finish it first. So 3.8 we multiplied by 12.6. So this will give us the answer of 47.88. And we divide by 4.35. So this calculation, it will give us the answer of 11.01. Okay, next, before we multiplication, let's finish it. The square number. So this is 28 we multiply it by 4.2, we make it square. It's gonna be 17.64, and then 3.3, we make it square, will give us the answer of 10.89 times 6.2, we make it square, so this is gonna be 38.44. Let's multiply it. So this is 418.61, and the number is 28. We multiply by 17.64, so will give us the answer of 493.92. So this answer, sorry, so let us check it again to make sure. So 20, oh, this is 2.8, sorry, bad, not 28. So let's start over. So 2.8, we multiply by 17.64, so it will give us the answer of 49.39. So 49.39 we divide by 418.61 will give us the answer of 0.12. Next, let's finish it inside the bracket. So this is 2.5, we keep it, 3.1 plus, okay, we got 0.5 divided by 5, it's gonna be 0.1, then square. Okay, let's finish it the bracket. So 2.5 minus 3.2 square. Okay, let's make it square. So 3.2, if we make it square, it will give us the answer of 10.24. So let's subtract it. 2.5 minus 10.24 is minus 7.74. Okay, write each following in the form of 3 power of x. So 3 gonna be the base. So remember to make it equal to 1 every number. If we make it power of 0 equal to 1. So this is 3 power of 0. Next, 27, 3 power of 3. Next is gonna be 1 over 3 power of 2, or we can write it as 3 power of minus 2. There is also power of 3 power of 1, so we can write it as 3 power of minus 1. 27. So let's make it square. 27 is 3 power of 3. So let's write it 3 power of 3 over 2. Next, multiplication. So we just need 2 addition. So 3 power of 4 plus minus 2. So the answer is 3 power of 2. Division is going to be negative. So 3 power of 8 minus 8. It's going to be 3 power of 0. Next, still division is going to be 3 power of 2 minus by 4. So it's going to be 3 power of minus 2. Next, power, we make it power again. It's going to be 3 power of 2 times 4, which is 3 power of 8. Next, 3 power of minus 2 times 2. This will give us the answer of 3 power of minus 4. Number 9. Simplify. Leave your answer in index notation. Okay, so this multiplication is going to be 3 power of 4 plus 7, and then we minus by 4. So the answer is going to be 3 power of 7. Next, we got 2 power of 5 plus 4, and then minus by 3. So that will give us answer 2 power of 6. Next is, let's separate it first. 2 power of 3 plus minus 4. Then we will divide by 2 power of 2 plus minus 2. So this will give us the answer of 3. So not 3. 2 power of minus 1. We divide by 2 power of 0. So this is going to be 2 power of minus 1. Next is 4 power of 1 plus minus 3 divided by 4 minus 2 and then plus 0 will give us the answer of 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2, which is 4 minus 2 minus with minus 2 will give us the answer of 4 power of 4. Sorry, 4 power of 0. Next, determine the value of x of each notation. Okay, so let's simplify the left side. It's gonna be 2 power of 2 minus 5 equal to 2x. So this is 2 power of minus 3. So the x equal to minus 3. Next, this is 2 power of 1 plus x equal to 2 power of 3 minus 5. So this is gonna be 2 power of 1 plus x equal to 2 power of minus 2. So 1 plus x is gonna be minus 2. So x is gonna be minus 3. Next, we got 3x minus 1 equal to 3 power of 2 minus 5. So this gonna be 3 power of x minus 1 equal to 3 power of minus 3. So this will give us the answer of x plus 1, x minus 1 equal to minus 3, which is x equal to minus 2. Next, so we got 2 power of 2 plus minus x equal to 2 power of 2 minus 6. So it's going to be 2 power of 2 minus x equal to 2 power of minus 4. So this is 2 minus x equal to minus 4. So 2 plus 4 equal to x. So x equal to 6. Okay, round each number to 3 significant figures. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here 3 significant figures is gonna be the answer 1, 2, 4, 0. Next, 3 significant number 1, 2, 3. Okay, from here, so it's gonna be 0.765. 3 significant starting from here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's gonna be 0.0238. 3 significant numbers here, so this is gonna be 31.5. Next, for 12, the diagram show a design for a square tile with a circle printed on it. A circle has a radius of 4.8. Okay, for the square, let's find the area of square. So area of the square equal to side square. So the side is, okay, for side equal to 2 times radius. Radius is 4.8. So let's find it the side first. So 2 multiplied by 4.8 will give us the answer of 9.6. So the side is 9.6 square. So let's find it. 9.6 square is 92.16. So how much the square is not covered by the circle? So let's find the area of circle. Okay, they give us the formula here. So this is 3.14. We multiply by 4.8 square. So let's finish it the square first. 4.8, we make it square, will give us the answer of 23.05. So let's multiply it. 3.14 we multiply by 23.04. So this is 72.35. Okay, this is for the A is 92.616 centimeter cube, and this is, we just need to minus it. 92.16 we minus by 72.35, which give us the answer of 19.78. So this is 19.78 centimeter cube. Next, 13. Gigi has a square sheet of fabric with sides 120 meter long. Is this big enough to cover a square table of area 1.4 m square? Explain your answer. So yeah, the answer is yes, because the table side, so this is 413, table sides are, let's make it square root of 1.4, which is 1.18 meter, or let's make it to centimeter is, make it to centimeter is going to be 118 centimeter long. So yes, this is possible. Or we can find the alternative if you like alternative. Area of cloth equal to 1.44 meter. Then this is greater than the table area. So number 13 is possible. 14. Cube has a volume of 3.375. So we just need to find the cube root of it, which will give us the answer of 1.5 meter. Okay, this is the last number. Estimate the answer to each this calculation to the nearest whole number. Okay, the nearest whole number. So 9.75. So the nearest whole number is 10. We multiply by the nearest whole number of 4.1 is gonna be 4. So this will give us the answer of 40. Next, the nearest whole number of 0.0387. How can we make it to the nearest whole number? Yeah, let's see it first for B. So for C, nearest whole number is 36. We multiply it by 6. And then we divide it by 10. So what is 36 times 6? So 36 we multiply by 6 is going to be 216. This is going to be hard to multiply it. So let's think of something else. Let's think of something else. 36 times 6. 36 times 6 is going to be 216. 216 divided by 10. So let's round it. This number is going to be 220 divided by 10 is 22. Next, for D, square root of 64.25. Okay, so let's make it to square root of 64, which will give us the answer of 8. And then the last 3, 3 square will give us the answer of 3. So, 3 square is gonna be 9. So the final is 8 times 9 equal to 72. Okay, if you round it to the whole number, this gonna be unidentified. So let us make it. So the first gonna be 0.0. This is 0.4. One significant. We divide by 0.007. Can we make it like this? Let's say 0.04 0.04. We divided by 0.007. This is gonna be 5.7, and then just round it to the whole numbers. It's gonna be 6. So for B, the answer is 6. Yeah, there it is. Thank you.